Hey everybody, Jones Blues and Jam, and what you're seeing on the floor is the end of me trying to attempt to finish this blanket here and this one here. They're doubled up. This one is really, you can see it's really, it will be really big for a large bed. It was supposed to be for the sofa, and sorry for moving so fast. And this one was for my granddaughter. Before she went to college, which she's already in her second or third semester. And I give up. I just cannot do big projects. I will not start any. Any of you guys start something like this and just say, enough. You know, I had this on this floor for, this is the second day. And I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna finish it. I don't want to. I have no desire to finish this. So I just wanted to show you that's the end of it. I will not be talking about either one of them. And yeah, until the next crochet or knit item, I am through with this. Talk to you later. Bye.